Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of threads not working on threads. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we search about threads. Then we click on full stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.